Hey budget friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. It is Wednesday. I have received both of my paychecks and it is time to finalize my first paycheck of February. Okay, it is late at night. It's late for me. It's like almost 8:30 maybe. So I'm trying to record this real quick and get it edited. Hopefully we can do it in like minimal edits and get it up for you guys tonight. And I have not decided if I'm going to do my cash planning and cash stuffing together. With me being so busy at work, I have been exhausted every single day of the week, including today. So it may just be 2 videos this week instead of 3. And I still need to edit my closeout for January. I filmed it. I just need to edit it. And hopefully I can get that up this weekend. Without further ado, here we go. So my full-time paycheck was only $1814.09. Again, this was during the big storm that we had, and then my part-time was $478.55 because there were 2 days I did not work. Then I have $300 from the children, and then my rollover was a $132. So we are working with $2,724.64. Okay, so let's see if I can zoom you in just a little bit more. There we go. So for my mortgage, I am putting $628 to my mortgage. For the mortgage savings, that is to help pay for May's mortgage. We're $88 that we will pull out in cash. Our internet is $100. iCloud is $299. And then cell phone is $92. And then we are paying, excuse me, $320 for our cruise payment. So that makes this section $1,230.99. And I'm going to subtract that from the income that I have. So our remaining is $1,493.65. So then when I come over here to our variable, we are doing $400 towards Discover. I'm trying to figure out why I put $250 there when I budgeted. Oh no, it's weird. All right, $250 there. For therapy, we're only going to do $50 because this is a smaller, like I'm like $400 shorter. Groceries, we're not doing medication or student loan. Groceries is $180. Home is $20. Fuel is $160. $50 for spending, $60 for eating out, $10 for miscellaneous, and $10 for buffer. So that makes this section my variable. $940. So if I take $940 minus our remaining of $1493.65, my balance is $553.65. So then down here for my savings and debt, we're doing $75 to home maintenance, $10 for our Ally savings. We're going to do $400 for sinking funds And then I'm only going to do, I'm not doing anything extra towards debt. And then I'm putting 68 towards savings challenges. Let's see if that adds up correctly. Yeah, so that's 553. And then 65 cents will just sit into the checking account. So that was a short, sweet, quick video. Your girl is extremely tired. My eyes are watering so bad. So that's all that I have for you guys. I just wanted to do a quick budget closeout so that you guys see where I spent my money. And I've already paid majority of these bills, especially the debt. And then in my next video, we will do cash planning / cash stuffing. And until then, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.